Yeah, I mean,
They have more than enough Bitcoin.
Why they freaking opened up the CME futures?
Come on, if they're gonna dump their Bitcoins, they're not gonna dump it all at once.
I mean,
it doesn't take dumping your Bitcoin. It just takes putting up,
the Bitcoin.
You consistently put up 100 asset calls. Even if a couple get bought, you're only losing 200 Bitcoin.
They can just use their stock
still
money.
Potentially move the price down a few $100.
Throw into Bitcoin to short it.
I mean,
but I really hope these guys lose shorting Bitcoin.
We're either in the bear market and we're dumping gradually, or we're still in the bull market and this is accumulation on the way down.
Messing up the whole market. So, I mean,
I think we're in a bear market.
But we'll recover.
Not everyone agrees.
In this.
Either way, it means learn how to short.
I think it's more than just price. I think there's some other stuff going on behind the scenes.
What did Novogratz say in his interview on December?
And a lot of people are going to be buying the dip. So.
All I hope was this was the dip and there's no extra dip.
He actually held off on starting his fund because he thought everything was overpriced. That was pretty genius of him.
He said it's going to 8K.
And then you guys can, and then in the doorbell you can share the wealth, yeah.
Totally, I'll buy a mansion and we can all hang out.
Yeah.
I would totally.
I think most people realized AK was likely potential target.
But I get the master bedroom.
I wonder whether or not he has the funds for his fund.
We could do a crypto reality TV show and just have a pool party forever doing crypto and everybody would buy crypto. Just a bunch of people getting rich.
Are we still
dump it?
No, we're talking about reality TV shows and crypto.
What the fuck is V?
I mean, if we're talking about
there were a ton of dudes in here
towards 8K, why wouldn't some people who are still holding to sell
no one cares about
here? I know, Victor, you were saying this is not a good spot to sell. Why not?
The
If we're
Bitcoin
really
chart looks
thinking
exactly like the
down
Verge chart.
to $2,000
I mean, not Verge.
Because it might not until 3 weeks or a month from now. Like I said, we could bounce here. It could be a shitty bounce. We could have a shitty bounce here to 12K. We could have a very shitty bounce to 12K right around now.
So we did. We had a shitty GDAX retarded bounce to 12.4. Would you have told people to sell then?
I mean, the bottom line is people just don't want to sell. I mean, you're a good example, RGC. I told you to sell your Litecoin. It's going to go down, and we all knew it was going down, but I guess some people psychologically just can't sell. I don't know. You know what I mean? Some people just want to hold. You know what I mean? So you can't blame them. It's just the personal stance that they have.
No, and I get that. That's something I'm working on myself. I was just trying to get an idea of what you were saying when you said it. Now that it was not a good spot to sell, and I was curious as to why.
We're just really extended on a lot of time frames right now. There's been a lot of built up panic that's kind of caused us to kind of go haywire here and kind of go lower than everyone expected in one day. But
it's poor risk reward to sell because it won't go down, but the 4-hour, 6-hour, 12-hour RSI are all on the bottom. It's just it's not. It's just not good risk reward. Doesn't mean it won't go down.
Here we go. It's never good to sell on a descent like this. My question to you would be, why didn't you sell earlier at 11.5? Would really consider selling here at this point. What's going on in your mind?
For additional perspective, and it could be a little different now because we've gone down for a few weeks. Last year and a half, if you just YOLO long on RSI below 30 on the 12-hour, you'd be rich.
Well, when you hear that whales are building positions for months in stock market, this translates into weeks for crypto. They're in no hurry.
It's the disposition effect. People are more inclined to hold on to losers and less inclined to hold on to winners. So people will take profit faster than they get stopped out of a loser.
I think it's wrong. I mean, I don't know if that saying is true, but I think in crypto in particular, I find at least that a lot of holders get extremely greedy. Like hundreds of % gain that they see fully retrace into the red. And it blows my mind personally because I kind of have that ideology, always take profits. But I know in crypto in particular, there's a lot of like diehard holders that'll, like I said, see a 200% gain fully retrace into the red on them.
Well, I hold on to my Bitcoin, but like my margin positions, I'll sell.
Yeah, I'm in that boat right now. It's just like it's kind of like you get complacent,
No, I mean I'm not worried about my Bitcoin. Like I'll hold on to that. Like I'll sell enough to like live off of, but and to be comfortable with. But I still hold on to my Bitcoin.
I get really scared when I'm up 100%. I think I'm wired weird. Where like I actually get scared when I'm up like 100%. Why the hell am I still in this position? This is crazy.
I get like that too, and I always sell my wins too early.
You trade spot though, right, Victor?
Yeah, I don't even know if I've ever had 100% gain. Honestly, no, I never have. No, nor even close. Yeah. I've never had more than like a 1 to 2% loss, but I've never had more than like I don't know. I'd have to really think about my biggest gain. Nowhere near 100%.
Yeah, I just got really complacent, and I increased my position a day before we actually took this dip, and so I'm still all in ETH and just really in the water.
We're pushing down hard on Phoenix.
If you're going to be a trader, you got to understand behavioral economics.
Mass psychology.
Yeah.
Where are we heading, Zeno?
Down.
Why do you think I know?
You said you're shorting. You probably have a good idea of where you think you're going to get out of your position.
Funding in 18 minutes on perps.
So I think we're going to the 8,000 range, 8,400, 8,200, 8,500. Target for right now is like 98, and then maybe we bounce up sideways a few days, and then we make another lower low. Oh, wouldn't that be a shocker, right? We've already made a lower low today, so that tells me we are going to have further downside. It's more likely. That value's got to go, it's got to exit to Tether, USD, or other alts.